Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today, in this video, I bring some beautiful collection or designs of baby shower cake ideas that you want to create these sort of unique cake designs to be created on your baby shower ideas, or you can use different gender reveal cakes for your baby shower ideas. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and love to create them. In this video, I bring some beautiful designs or cake ideas of baby shower celebrations to create these sort of gender reveal cake ideas that are unique in design. You want to create for your baby shower to celebrate it in a more unique way. You can customize these ideas according to your own celebrative event or party you want to customize for yourself. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas for your baby girl or baby boy, or you can combine both these themes for some gender reveal celebrative parties. You can create a single theme idea, or you can combine both ideas. Viewers, these are some uniquely decorated ideas that you would love to create for your baby shower ideas. You can choose some color combination ideas according to your own choice to be created for your baby shower, or you can create some theme parties for your baby shower. Some color combinations can also be chosen by picking up different unique teddy bear theme cake ideas, or you can create different macaron theme cakes like you have seen in this video, or you can also use different cake toppers to be decorated with it. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some creative ideas for you. So keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.